Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your Uber referral code. So for some reason it's not where they say it was. So initially what you had to do was open up the Uber app, go into account, and here you would see an option called invite friends. However, you no longer can do that. So instead what you gotta do is open up your browser on your phone, and I've just Google search here for contact Uber support. So click on the first link that pops up here. Then make sure you have logged into your Uber account and click on the two lines in the top right corner. Now from here, we want to go into help. And once we have selected help, we need to go into riders. And then we will choose account here. Then you want to select I need to contact support. You will input your name on your account, your phone number, and for the issue we will choose other, and we'll just type something like I need to get my Uber referral code. So you actually have to contact them if you want to get your referral code now for some reason. So you want to click on submit, and they should get back to you with your Uber referral code so you can earn not commissions but get rewards for it. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.